Hi, I'm Rob Labus. So today at Colthrop Lock with a dive team. We're currently doing a temporary repair to the gates with divers. The reason we're using divers is that the divers can come in very quickly and effect some temporary repairs. We've got really bad leakage through these gates. New gates are being made at our workshop now, and this is planned to be undertaken part of our stoppage work in the winter. The reason why we do it with divers is that we don't have to de-water the lock. We've got a 4-hour restriction. However, when we get a pause in the work, we are letting boaters through, so there's no more delays of up to 2 hours.